Well, just a quick one. I wasn't happy with how that was mounted, so I just folded up some aluminium, you know, used a few of the bolts, polished it up a bit, stood them up, so now the hoses will loop nicely into that. That's much better. Alternator mount is made, well, bracket is made now, so that's nice and tight. Odd shape, so it had to be done. And then the last thing was a heat shield. So I started with good old cardboard and then made it out of aluminium. Rolled it, you know, bead rolled a couple of lines in there to make it nice and tight. It folds up underneath here as well, so it should keep heat away from the back of the alternator, but it's a nice little heat shield. You know, once it's all polished up nicely like it should be, well, once the engine goes back together. Looking nice, eh? Work of art.